Today I'm gonna make blackberry banana smoothie. You got no time for breakie? Oh, come on. You will need soy milk, bananas, sea salt, allspice, optional, vanilla yogurt. What makes it special is a blackberry. It has tanginess and sweetness, great natural flavor. In a jar, 2 big handfuls of ice, two bananas, peel. 빨리. So dice them up and then straight into the jar. Pinch of salt, bit of allspice, just give a nice flavor. 2 big spoons of vanilla yogurt. You can also use vanilla ice cream instead. So you have 1 cup of soy milk. You could use a normal milk as well. Spread it in there as well. Finally, boom, 2 blackberries in. So once you've done that, blend them up. Well, that's it. There you have blackberry banana smoothie. It's done. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. See you next time. 잘 먹겠습니다.